Hi everyone! If you want to increase your download speed on your Brave browser, today's video gonna help you a lot because I will explain clearly in multiple steps. So, open your browsers and then try to find Brave Flash. Here, click enter and you're gonna see parallel downloading here. So if your downloading is enable is correct. If you set default or disable, you need to change it to enable. So they can increase your download speed because it's enabled your parallel downloading. Another way to increase your download speed is go to your menu bars on your right corner and then scroll down until you see setting here. Okay, so what you have to do next is find privacy and security with key icon here and then go to your security section. So if you see events here, what you need to do next is you need to secure your DNS here. So open your DNS to increase download and then in DNS provider, you need to select Cloudflare. This can increase your download speed in such a way. So open it and then another way is to go to system here and then you can see use graphic acceleration when available, open it and then close window when closing the last tab, turn on this one also and go to memory section here. Okay, and then in memory you need to open memory savers because this can also increase your download speed when you doing on your Brave browser. So if you're sure to do this, what you need to do is turn off your Brave browser and relaunch it again. So your setting already completely changed to increase your download here. So this is how to increase download speed on Brave browser. You can use all these words to improve. Thank you so much guys. I hope this video gonna help you a lot. See you, bets.